Thirikari ni hotorete gutigirira githomo ni giguthi na mbere ona thengia wa king'uki gya COVID-19 na njira ya gutigirira arutwo na arutani ni magitirwo kumana na murimo wa COVID-19 riri mathomo macokereirie guothe bururi-ini. President ni athire Minister Nana kurutithania wira na Ministry ya Githomo niguo gutigirira arutwo ni macoka thukuru hatari mogwati o mothe megemainie na murimo ucio. Umuthi kamiti ino ni cerire thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Ololua kaunti-ini ya Kajiado, umwe wa thukuru iria iri na wingi wa arutwo kaunti-ini iyo kunyabara uria mihango ya mathomo irathie na mbere na hihi mathina maria mangikorwo namo.
We are all pulling together as a country and we are spending all our time around, going to schools, sitting, working with our teachers and other people to make sure this works well.
Ona thengia wa rigitani gutariria mogwati maria mangiumana na arutwo guthomera nja, Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha ni ahinyiriirie gutire mogwati o mothe. Nake Minister wa maria maturigiceirie Kiraiko Tobiko akiugania gutigirira miti ni ahandwo mathukuru-ini niguo kuhe arutwo kiruru na riera riega ria guthomera.
The best classroom here today is that classroom under that tree. And the reason is very simple. Trees add oxygen to the air and take away carbon dioxide. And so as far as children are concerned, that is the best classroom.
As a ministry, agreed to work together with the Ministry of Education towards greening of our schools. I hear it in the media, some of those who are ridiculing the fact that our kids are learning and in trees and in green spaces. It's nothing unique about it. It's happening across the country and across the world, in the US, in the UK. It is the in thing now to do.
Matogoretio ni Minister wa Ugiteri wa Thiini Fred Matiang'i, Minister ya moigite ni megutigirira ni marutithania wira na Ministry ya Githomo. Ciana cia airĩtu ikionekana gukorwo ikirorwo na njira ya mwanya na muno makiria aria mohete nda.
I think we'll continue working with this and other schools to just make sure that the children have the support that they need to stay in school.
Na itajira ya guteithiriria ciari aria maretha mieke ya ciana ciao mathukuru-ini mangi thutha wa thukuru imwe cia andu kiumbe kuhingwo kaimana. Ngwataniro ya makanitha NCCK ni mihotorete kuhe thirikari iharo cia kanitha kuhuthika ta thukuru angikorwo niguo kubatarania.
Turautaira na macukuru nigetha thukuru iria citu cia makanitha isponsetwo kuria kwena irathi itaiganeire makahuthira makanitha maria me hakuhi tondu kanitha ni social hall na nginya kanitha thiini.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.